My name is Atter, and this one is so pink. You can put it on your lips anytime, but not all the time. Just put it once at a day, and don't put too much. Just do like this, and you put a little bit more, and you turn it and cover it and do like this. This is what you do. You put this on. You get this and put this on the sides and put it here on your eyebrows. You can share everything if you ask my mom. It's so fluffy, so soft, and you put the brush here, the big brush, and you put it on your face. The big brush is so soft, more soft than this makeup. And you dip it again and put it at the other side and the other side. You open it up, then you put it here. The pink and yellow, the pink and white. You can put this near your eyes. And for cleaning it up, or for making it a little bit straighter and up. Mirror, you put it in front of your face, and you look at the mirror, then look if you're pretty. 1 and 2, you can use the white because it's lighter. Ma, what do you use this for?
Don't use that if you don't know.
Just tell me.
It's in your here eyes, in your waterline.
In your waterline? Put this on your waterline. The dark is a little bit not pretty for kids. So just use light things. That's all. So keep on watching my video for a little bit more minutes, and keep watching this video and keep watching this video.